Hey explorers, today we're standing at the base of a giant volcano. See that smoke? Deep inside, something powerful is brewing. How does a mountain suddenly explode with fire and molten rock? Strap on your safety gear, we're going inside a volcano. Before we can understand volcanoes, we need to look deep inside our planet. Earth is like a giant onion. It has layers. On top is the crust, the thin, rocky surface where we live. Below that is the mantle, super hot rock that flows slowly like thick honey. And at the center, a core so hot it's almost impossible to imagine, 5,400 degrees, as hot as the surface of the sun. So where does a volcano's fire come from? It starts with magma. Deep underground, it's so incredibly hot that solid rock melts into liquid. We call it magma. This magma is full of trapped gases, like the bubbles in a shaken soda bottle. And because magma is lighter than solid rock, it slowly rises upward, collecting in a giant underground pool called a magma chamber. Now here's where it gets exciting. The magma chamber keeps filling up, and all those trapped gases build up more and more pressure. The magma pushes up through a crack called a vent, climbing toward the surface. Until finally, the pressure is too much and boom! Magma bursts out as lava, shooting ash and rock high into the sky. That fiery explosion is a volcanic eruption. Here's something cool. Not all volcanoes look the same. There are three main types. First, shield volcanoes, wide and gentle, with runny lava that flows slowly. Hawaii is full of them. Next, composite volcanoes, tall, steep, and famous for explosive eruptions, like Japan's Mount Fuji. And finally, cinder cones, small, steep cones built from chunks of cooled lava. Three types, each one built differently by the same fiery force. Bonus Explorer secret. Most volcanoes aren't scattered randomly. They're lined up along a giant horseshoe shape around the Pacific Ocean. Scientists call it the Ring of Fire. It stretches all the way from New Zealand, up past Japan, across to Alaska, and down the Americas. An incredible 75% of all of Earth's volcanoes are found right here. Mission complete, explorers! Here's what we discovered today. 1. Earth has layers, and the superhot mantle melts rock into magma. 2. Trapped gases build pressure until magma bursts out as an eruption. 3. Most of Earth's volcanoes sit along the Pacific Ring of Fire. Not bad for one fiery expedition. Next expedition, we're asking, what are fractions? Hit subscribe so you don't miss it. I'm Scout, and I'll see you on the next adventure. Explorers out!